All right, so welcome to the very first section in this course, and I hope you're ready because I am. And the good news is that this particular section is one of the easiest sections to go through. Don't worry, I'm not trying to make it sound like the training is going to be very difficult or anything like that. I just want you to know that this section is going to be just an introduction to the world of cybersecurity. Now, I've pulled up the official CompTIA Security Plus guide here, as you can see. So we are in lesson 1. We're going to be covering topics 1A and topics 1B as well. And as you can see right there, the lesson introduction says that as a security professional, it is important that you understand how the security function is implemented as departments or units and professional roles within different types of organizations. And then the core objectives of this entire section would be for you to compare and contrast information security roles, and then compare and contrast security control and framework types. So we're going to start off first of all with topic 1A, where we're going to have a general introduction to the world of cybersecurity. You will learn about confidentiality, integrity, availability, and then the cybersecurity framework specifically from the NIST. Don't worry, if you've never heard of NIST, you will very soon. And then, of course, information security competencies, roles, and responsibilities, and then the different types of information security business units. Now, topic 1B is where we're going to get a bit more technical, because here we're going to compare and contrast the different types of security control and framework types. Now, security controls are basically the things that we would use to protect our data or protect our network from malware and hackers. So a firewall would be a security control. Anti-malware would be a security control. However, they're not necessarily in the same type of category of security controls. There are ways how we can categorize our security controls. So you're going to learn a lot about that. And then, of course, the security control functional types. We can also categorize our security controls based on the function. We'll take a look at the NIST cybersecurity framework and then other frameworks like the ISO and cloud frameworks. And then finally, we're going to round up the section by talking about benchmarks, secure configuration guides, as well as regulations, standards, and legislations. So, like I said, this section is going to be a bit of a breeze. If you already have a background in cybersecurity, you're not going to have that much trouble going through this entire section. I think you can get this done pretty quickly. But without wasting any more time, let's get started with section 1.